Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to fix your credit in 2025. If you're struggling with bad credit, don't worry. This is your ultimate guide to getting back on track. Credit issues can feel overwhelming, but with the right steps, you can turn things around quickly. Let's jump right in. First off, why does credit matter in 2025? With new regulations like the updated Fair Credit Reporting Act, maintaining good credit is more important than ever for loans, mortgages, and even job opportunities. Start by pulling your free credit report from the three major bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You can do this annually through official websites, and it's easier than ever with 2025's digital tools. Next, scrutinize that report for errors. Mistakes happen, like accounts that aren't yours or outdated info. Dispute any inaccuracies online or via mail. The bureaus have 30 days to investigate. I've seen folks boost their scores by 50 points just by fixing these. Now, tackle your debts. Create a budget using apps like Mint or the new 2025 AI-powered tools that analyze your spending. Focus on high-interest debts first with the debt avalanche method. Aim to pay more than the minimum each month to build positive payment history. To rebuild credit, consider secured credit cards or credit builder loans. These are designed for folks in your shoes and report to the bureaus, helping you establish good habits. Remember, consistency is key. Pay on time, keep balances low, and avoid new debt. Finally, monitor your progress regularly. Set up alerts for changes in your report, and track your score with free apps. In 2025, AI-driven services can even predict improvements based on your actions. Stick with it, and you could see results in as little as 3 to 6 months. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's fix that credit together. See you next time.